Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought long curly haircut. These hairs are round. However, in curly hair, the way that the cells divide and produced certain proteins in asymmetrical and correlates with the bands in the curved follicle. This results in a hair fiber that has an elliptical shape which allows it to curl. Curls adds volume to your hair effortlessly and you never have to worry about it being flat, limp, and lifeless like those with straight hair. In my opinion, curly hair is attractive because it is spontaneous and unpredictable. There is something beautiful about its independence. Curly hair is often associated with a fun loving, warm hearted, and outgoing personality. You have curly hair, you are perceived as being courageous, outspoken, and spontaneous. Curly hair is playful and fun. It can't be easily controlled, and it is different every day. This is part of its appeal. Conformity is boring, and curly hair is definitely not boring. Curly hair is completely uninhibited by societal pressure. Your curls will laugh in your face when you try to change them, and they will declare themselves a wild force of nature. This is hot, and that is why so many people want to make babies with people with curly hair. Curly hair tends to become dry easily. Excessively shampooing your hair can suck out its natural moisture. Also, look for moisturizing ingredients in your conditioner. Conditioning makes sure that your hair cuticle is sealed and protected against environmental damage. Thank you and stay blessed.